Looking to excel in financial analysis? Dive into Advanced Excel, the ultimate tool for unlocking unparalleled data prowess. At Guardian's Training, our Advanced Excel training course hones your skills. Tailored for those with a fundamental understanding of Excel, it's designed for tackling complex tasks. The curriculum covers an array of topics, from mastering Excel formulas and data analysis to advanced visualization and automation with VBA. Under the guidance of experienced instructors, you'll learn advanced formula techniques, data analysis and manipulation, lookup and reference functions, as well as sophisticated data analysis tools. As you progress, envision yourself excelling in roles such as financial planner, market research analyst, or project manager, empowered by the skills gained through our Advanced Excel training. Are you ready to transform your data analysis journey? Connect with us at Guardian's Training and open doors to a world of advanced possibilities in the accountancy industry.